Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock. So, what is going on here? Well, Tesla is looking bullish and it's looking great. Where can we close this week, right? We have 3 days left. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Is $200 still a possibility? I'm getting tired of speaking $200 all the time. This thing, if you look at it, Tesla has done what since 29th of April or whatnot. Oh wow, 2 months it has just gone sideways. It's just annoying, but things are still bullish in the price section. Now, before going further, I want to let you know none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes. Please do your own thing. I'm just sharing here my opinion, nothing more than that. So yes, Tesla is still technically bullish, and that's what I have been saying. That structure on Tesla, even through these red candles, has been just bullish. We are still in a higher pivot, and this was another area that I was saying that as long as we stay above 180, any pullback in this zone is most likely just a buy. I will talk about in much more depth on the lower time frame in just a second, but just to show you the overall picture right now, Tesla is still bullish. Now, this is my day trading bot today. Good position and profit made. Again, there are red days as well, guys. So it's all about being net profitable. And as long as the bot is able to do it, I'm happy. Again, these are only educational tools. If you need them for your own purpose, for however you want to use, links to my tools are in the description below. I have 2 indicators and 2 bots. Okay. Now, so let's see how things are looking like on Tesla stock first on the weekly interval. So as you are aware that Tesla has already started this week out of this channel that was a lower trending channel on Tesla for more than a year. Tesla is finally out of it, and not just out of it, it got out of it with a really bullish structure of inverted head and shoulder that I have been saying. And you might be getting tired of listening to me saying $200, $200, but yes, that's the direction we are still in, $200, and that is still the case that yes, we can do it. Can we do it by the end of this week? Well, so let's go to the hourly interval. So on the daily interval, I already showed you that we are above that blue box down here. We are above 20 days moving average, above 50 days moving average, and we are still holding higher pivots on the overall structure. So we are full on bullish. Going on to the hourly interval, now this is where I was saying that we do have a big seller sitting here at $190. You can see multiple times price has been just sold off, and it's just not like a normal sell-off, it's just like plummeted. So today also, when we got into this area, we got a little bit of a sell-off, but the good thing is that Tesla held on intraday a pivot already and closed again higher. Now going in from here, going in tomorrow, as long as Tesla keeps itself up here, okay, in this, as long as it stays above 20 hours moving average, 50 hours moving average, it's still just a long play. Pullbacks on this are just a buy. And right now, like, I would, even if it starts to sell off or cool off tomorrow, it's better to be traded, wait for the pullback, some rebounds could be taken. Structure on this is still bullish, and if tomorrow we continue and break above 188, 191, and then maybe possibly 194 is a possibility. On Tesla is doing almost $6 range, so that's within reach, like 191 between to 194. Let's see if Tesla can give us that tomorrow, because so yeah, we have been, as I said, we have been holding this blue box now as a really good support, and Tesla is already going up, right? Intraday as well, been keeping itself bullish. So going in today as well, as I said, if so yesterday I talked about Tesla intraday is bullish if we can get above 184.24 cents, and today you can see with this red candle, the wick as it formed, it showed us that the buying is happening at this level, and then that was confirmation to play intraday long as well. And my bot also gave a long position on this. And anything, yeah, and that's what I'm saying, that the downside intraday is just a scalp if these levels break, but It's nothing more than that, but that's not even confirming right now, right? So it's been just a long intraday plays, and even right now, as I said, Tesla is bullish. Tomorrow's levels to watch is, I would suggest just watch to the upside as long as we stay above 20 hours moving average, and also level of $184 level almost. As long as we stay above it, we can stay bullish on this thing on intraday levels and continue higher. So yes, in my opinion, $200 is still possible by the end of this week. All right, SPY and QQQ, and if structure will change, I'll talk about it. So SPY as well, we are still bullish on SPY, guys. This thing is, structure on this is bullish even until the pullback into the blue zone. Accordingly, intraday long or short trades can be taken. So yeah, and even here today on SPY, we had a good day. And let's see how my day trading bot did on SPY today. And yeah, we had a profitable day on SPY. Look at it, guys. By my bot, last 12 days, almost 2 weeks, pretty much all profitable positions, all profitable trades. And on SPY, we had only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, only 7 red trading days. So, but yeah, SPY is all in all still bullish. And all right, so let's take a daily interval, guys. As I said on SPY, the structure is still bullish on this thing even until blue box, and today we are seeing some buying happening. Let's take a look at hourly interval, some of the levels. And so SPY, as if it continues to stay above 544 tomorrow as well, this thing can continue higher right up from here. If it loses 500 and this 44, I would suggest don't just short it right away, because 200 hours moving average is sitting right here. It might just get choppy here. Just my opinion. Taking a look at QQQ. So on the daily interval, QQQ is up what, $5 today. And QQQ, as you know, I have been saying structure on this is bullish, even if we come down to this 20 days moving average, and then there's this support, another support as well, but we have a new support also built up here now. Yeah, I would say until 20 days moving average, any pullback comes is just a buy. And on the hourly interval as well, you can see we've got bought back up at 200 hours moving average, and I would not want to short it right now. Tomorrow, as long as it stays above 20 hours moving average, any pullback on this can still be just a buy. Yeah, it's still bullish. All right, cool. Well, guys, that's it for this video. And before wrapping up, I also want to let you know, if you are interested in following along the journey of mine that I'm building this public facing dividend investing portfolio, link to this channel you will find in the description of this video, and this is my junior trader dividend investing channel, so check it out if you're interested, and subscribe and like here as well if you want to follow along. And with that, guys, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.